Hello guys, what is up? This is Dhruval Patel. Welcome to my channel Technocrat Dhruval. By reading the title, you all know what this video is all about. Yes, in this video, I am going to do the unboxing and review of MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is the latest version of MacBook Pro of 2020. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. So now, without keeping you all waiting, let's get started. Hey guys, here I present the brand new MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020. Let's have a look at the gorgeous box first. As you can see, it is simple, neat and clean. Let's look around. So there's a badging of MacBook Pro and Apple logo on the sides of the box. On the front side, they have shown the highly professional picture of slim and trim MacBook Pro. At the bottom of the box, there is the information of manufacturer, the product color and some key features. As you can see, this MacBook Pro is worth 1,22,990 Indian rupees and its color is space grey. This variant comes in silver and space grey color. Now let's open the box. So as we open the box, here is the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 wrapped in the nice plastic cover. Let's remove it. Let's keep this aside. We'll talk about the details later on. Underneath the laptop, there is a product guide designed by Apple in California. Let's open it. So here's a little guide and some Apple stickers which you can stick anywhere. Here's the fast charging 61 watt USB-C power adapter. This is the USB-C charging cable. You have to attach one end with the adapter and the other one with the MacBook Pro. This cable is 2 meters long. So there's nothing much in the box. Let's talk about the details of MacBook Pro 2020. So there's a fine-tuned space grey color. They have made it more slim than older MacBook Pros. Here's the two Thunderbolt 3 ports. Thunderbolt 3 combines ultra-high bandwidth with the ultra versatility of the USB-C industry standard to create one revved-up universal port. It integrates data transfer, charging and video output in a single connector, delivering up to 40 Gbps of throughput for twice the bandwidth of Thunderbolt 2. On the either side, there's 3.5mm headphone jack. Now let's open it up. So here's the 13.3-inch diagonal LED backlit Retina display with IPS technology, 2560 by 1600 native resolution at 227 pixels per inch with support for millions of colors and has a 720 pixel FaceTime HD camera. This is backlit Magic Keyboard with 4 arrow keys in an inverted T arrangement, touch bar, touch ID sensor, ambient light sensor and force touch trackpad for precise cursor control and pressure sensing capabilities. Enables force clicks, accelerators, pressure sensitive drawing and multi-touch gestures. It has stereo speakers with high dynamic range with support for Dolby Atmos playback. Let's look at the configuration. So this MacBook comes with macOS Catalina. It has 1.4 GHz quad-core processor with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD. It also comes with Intel Iris Plus graphics. Here on the keyboard you get the touch panel to operate your task at better speed. You can even control brightness and volume from here very easily. Here is the fingerprint sensor for fast authorization. So that is all from unboxing and review. So guys, that's all from this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful. Please like this video and share with everyone. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Also follow me on Instagram at Technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you guys in the next useful video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.